Hey, it's Brittany, and I'm here at the Magic Kingdom. I'm walking in right when Festival of Fantasy is happening. This is probably one of the worst times to walk in, but that's okay. But this is the weird time of the year where it's like school started and the holidays haven't really started, like Halloween. So wait times are pretty low. So I'm coming here to try to see how many rides I can get on, and I have a mobile order in for Pecos Bill. And I really do want to try to get on Splash today, but I'll probably try to do it at the end of my day so I'm not just like stopping wet around the park. But I'm super excited to ride some rides. Let's go do this, and don't forget to like button and subscribe. Let's go in. Hopefully we can get around because of the parade. I mean, this could be why the wait times are really low right now, because everyone is waiting for the parade. But here's some of the parade. I got Peter Pan. Might as well just show you the parade. But it's cute. Yay! That's so cute though. I mean, the parade is cute, so. Oh, sorry. Alright, let's get through this. I think I'm gonna go over towards Fantasyland. Okay. Kind of sad. I wish I could have gotten back to the rides before the parade got done, but can't really. And of course the side I entered was like the worst side. Sometimes they have the backstage entrance open on the, if you're facing the train station, the right side. But I went the left, so that's okay. We caught some cute footage of the parade. It's always cute. I love that parade. Festival of Fantasy is one of the best. So that's okay. But we are gonna head over. So I think a lot of things were 5-minute waits, like Barnstormer and Dumbo and Little Mermaid, last time I checked. So we will go and see if that holds up. And I think I'm going to get a pumpkin spice something from Starbucks later. We'll see if it happens on this trip. If not, I'll get it next time we come to the parks. Because yes, pumpkin spice and pumpkin is back. Okay, I'm gonna weave bob and weave. I made it through that crowd. You know, just gotta do some maneuvering. I'm by myself, so it's really easy to get through the crowds. But it is so cute. The castle is gorgeous. It is a gorgeous day. Not supposed to get super cloudy and rainy until the evening time. So, I am here just trying to get on some rides before the rain. But ain't she a beaut? It's true. Merida is meeting and greeting over here again. She's like, her line starts like right by the castle. Yeah, she's back, which is really great. They hadn't brought her back for a while, but she is back. Full swing, meeting meet and greeting times. And her time should be in the My Disney Experience app. Okay, I'm starting over here in Storybook Circus Land. I haven't done Barnstormer yet, and it said online it was a 5-minute wait. Dumbo is also a 5-minute wait, and then I think I'll hit Ariel, which I can't see her wait. I haven't pulled up the app. But let's hit Barnstormer, Dumbo, go over to Ariel, and see what else we can do. This line said it was a 5-minute wait. We're kind of backed up, but I have a feel like it'll go by pretty fast. Ooh, big fan. We could also see a different side of Tron that we've never seen, which I think is awesome. Wow, they are having lunch and a meeting back there. I was talking to a cast member on the monorail. She works at the Harbor House, and she was saying that they had brought a whole big round of CPs in to start training for Tron, and then once they got here, they got put other places. So it looked like it was almost ready, and then it's not. So I think we still have quite a ways, or a little bit of a ways, especially if they're not hiring cast members right now to work Tron. But that's all right. I think they're doing what they have to do to keep it safe. So hopefully it'll open sometime soon. Front row. Yeah, it was a walk. It was basically a walk on. I had to wait for 2 trains, and I got front because I was like the front line of the line. So let's do this. Whee! I don't think I've ever been on this, but it's very similar to the one in Anaheim. So I'm excited. And we're front row. Oh, here we go. For sure, cute one for the kids. I enjoyed it though. It's a little short ride, but it's cute. It was cute. I think kids would love it. If you're not that into a thrill ride, you want like a really quick one, it's perfect for that. So now, on to Dumbo. All right, Dumbo time. Dueling Dumbos. At least in here you get a little bit of AC because you go inside. So that doesn't suck. Yeah, I think I'm gonna hit this, and then Little Mermaid, and then I have a mobile order, a Pecos bill, so I'll have to bebop on over there, but second ride in like 20 minutes since I've been here, so definitely not bad at all. You know I love some Dumbo! Woo! Here we go! Whee! So fun. I'm gonna go up. Woo! Whee! 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 Hey, we're all the way up. Woo! Gotta love Dumbo. Woo! Whoa. Like falling off almost. The castle! Oh no! We're going down! was a walk-on, like straight up. Woo! Woo! So fun. On to the next. So we got Barnstormer and Dumbo, 1 and 2 out of the way. Let's go see how long the Little Mermaid ride is. I love the Little Mermaid. A little hint on what my costume is gonna be for Mickey's Not So Scary on my birthday. It's gonna be Little Mermaid. But which costume will I be wearing? I'm pretty stoked about this costume. I am wearing a red wig, so I'm probably gonna be sweating hard. But I don't know, to me it's worth it. To me, it's worth it. Oh, I wish Ariel's grotto was open. Meet Ariel. I love meeting Ariel. Okay, is this a short wait time? Because my mobile order window is now open. So, we shall see. It is an ever-moving line, so usually it goes by fast. But let me see. It says 5 minutes. All right, let's hop in it. 5 minutes is worth it. I'll let you know if it was a true 5 minutes or not. Okay, I made a dummy mistake, and I went to change my window for my mobile order, and I accidentally hit the get started on my order button, and this line is definitely not a 5 minute wait, so I'm gonna get on the line, and I have to hike it over to Pecos, and I'll eat my lunch, and then maybe I'll come back, but it's not a 5 minute wait. I am sweating so hard. I literally ran, oh well not ran, fast walked from the Little Mermaid queue all the way to Pecosville, and I made it. But like as I was going into Liberty Square, it said, oh, it's ready now, and I was like, oh no. But I am hungry. I got myself a water. Okay, I got the pork bowl and it looks delicious. It's a little bit dim light in here, but I'll try to show you guys. It looks really good. It comes with everything, and then it comes with extra tomatoes and lettuce you can put in it. I like this. I think it was only like $12, which for a Disney meal really isn't that bad. So I love Pecosville. Oh, no, it comes with salsa, but I don't really like salsa in my bowls. But there is salsa if you want it. Yeah, so let's try it. All right, I think I got a bite with everything on it.
And I was wondering. Oh yes, that'd be great.
Just classic. It's good. It's a big portion. I love Pecos, and Pecosville has a lot of seating. I'm actually in the additional seating room. It's good. I have a little bit of AC. There's a bunch of fans in here, and like I said, I got a water and I'm eating. I'm good. It looks like a lot of the wait times are going up. I might try to hit Big Thunder and then Splash, and then maybe we'll call it a day. They're not bad. I mean, as I'm going up, they're going up from 5 to like 20 minutes, so it's like not horrible. But I'm getting a little toasty, and I'm trying to beat the storm and or traffic to get home. So let's see after this what the wait times are for Big Thunder and Splash. Maybe I'll just do Splash and head on home, but I'm gonna finish my meal. Just got done at Pecosville. It was so tasty. I'm gonna go hit Splash because clouds are coming in, and I'm scared that Thunder is gonna close it down. I don't know. Hopefully I can get on it. I've had really bad luck this entire time since we moved here, so I don't really see. Boats are stopped right now, so I could just continue my bad luck, but we're gonna try it. I wonder if this is all gonna change when they change it around to Tiana or Princess and the Frog. So take a good look at it now. It might be different next time I come on. I might come on this again, but I've had such bad luck that maybe this is the only time I'll come on before they change it. It wasn't that bad of a wait, probably like half hour. Not too bad for Splash.
Folks here about say they're rather even more. I say
Uh-oh. We're good. Didn't get wet. There it goes again. Woo! I love this ride. It's so good. It's so good. I'm in the back row, so hopefully I won't get as wet. Woo! Bumpy. Whee! Whee! Oh. Cute. Woo! First little drop. I'm ready. Woo! Slip and falls. Splashes. Gotta protect the camera.
How do you do? My best pretty good show as your bone. Pretty good show as your bone. How do you do? How do you do? Mighty pleasant reason. How do you do? Say when you meet me. How do you do? Really good family. How do you do? Live alone. It's time to move it along. The weather is good. The fishing is fine. Now whatever you do, you're having your time. Time to be turning around. He's looking for.
Look yonder, there goes Blue Rabbit. Being chased by a pretty fox and a rare bear, as usual. Look yonder, there goes Blue
Yes, sir. I would brother Rabbit takes me along with him. I'm sure he's a good time. Where
Uh-oh, the laughing place. Uh-oh. Oh no, it's like legit right here. Alright, get ready for darkness. Woo!
I'm afraid you learned it too late. Laughing place? We've got your laughing place right up here.
Yeah, they do. Here we go. Uh-oh. That was good. Not that wet at all. Woo! That was awesome. Favorite part, obviously. Oh, we're gonna get a little splashed. I'm waiting for this waterfall up here. I think I'm on the right side of the boat that I won't get splashed. Or the left side of the boat. So fun! I love this ride so much. There's the intrepid waterfall. That like
Keep your hands held along at all times.
I swear I'd get stuck at and it would just douse me. Ah! Okay, it's getting me a little. Ah! Ah! Okay. Whee! Ooh! 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 We're good. I'm really not that wet at all. Woohoo! Back row perks. Ah. Zippity-doo-dah, zippity-yay. So cute. Zippity-doo-dah, zippity-yay. Ha!
Zippity-doo-dah, zippity-yay. Home sweet home is the lesson today. Don't you worry, Mr. Bluebird. I learned my lesson.
So good. Splash is always so good. So happy I got on it. It was literally only a half-hour wait. Really wasn't that bad. So I'm gonna go check Big Thunder's wait. Woo! All right, 20 minutes for Big Thunder. I'll do it. Let's do it. Doesn't look too bad at all. Whoop whoop. Okay, lightning in the area. Very happy I got on Splash when I did. Probably was in the Thunder line for like 10 minutes and it closed. So the clouds are coming in. I think it's time for me to head out before it gets crazy and rains, and because all the outdoor rides are closed down, all the other wait times are gonna go up. So I think we're gonna head out and call it a day. And with that, we're gonna call it a day. So I had so much fun riding a few rides, able to get on Splash before the thunder started, so whoop whoop whoop. But thank you so much for watching, and if you like this video, hit that like button and subscribe, and I'll see you real soon.